I am Marilyn B. Lengson, Master Teacher 1 of Marilyn Elementary School, Municipality of General Emilio Aguinaldo, Division of Cavite. I am going to present my action research entitled Differentiated Activities and Strategies in Teaching Mathematics Among Grade 4 Pupils. The proposed differentiated activities and strategies in mathematics aim to assist the pupils in improving their acuity, speed, and mastery in the different skills as required in the learning competencies in mathematics. The proposed differentiated activities and strategies will enhance pupils' comprehension, computational, and problem-solving skills. According to Vos R. and Rickards T. in 2016 that mathematics is often taught using abstract method and make a distance in the relationship between the subject and the real-life situations. Based on the result of the previous study conducted 2018 entitled Strengths and Difficulties in Mathematics Among Grade 4 SSES Pupils Towards a Learning Competency Development Program. Presented in the table is a summary of the performance per area. Only the area of measurement is poor and the rest of the areas are below average. As gleaned from the table that the summary of the area of the competencies are presented, all the areas of competencies were reflected as weaknesses. Similarly, the National Achievement Test results in mathematics of Bayan Elementary School for the last 3 years during the school year 2013, 2014, and 2015 were decreasing due to poor study habits. With the result attained, the school personnel gave their best to achieve much higher score and to increase the achievement level in mathematics. The main purpose of this action research is to study and determine the significant implication of differentiated activities and strategies in mathematics. Specifically, the action research aims to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the performance level of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics before and after the intervention? Number 2. Is there a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test scores of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics? Number 3. What are the implications of the findings of this action research for the development of mathematical skills of the learners? The objective of these differentiated activities and strategies in mathematics was to develop pupils' conceptual understanding of the different components of mathematics presented in the classroom activities. These intervention strategies and activities were activity-based strategy, the 3 A's activity, act, analyze, apply, and peer teaching strategies, the AFA Activity, assign and design the lesson, facilitate the lesson, assess their fears, different localized and contextualized activities. The program was provided the necessary reinforcement for the pupils who need further improvement. The respondents of this study were from the 4th section of the grade 4 pupils at Bailan Elementary School who were enrolled for the school year 2019-2020. There were a total of 140 pupil respondents. In gathering the data for this study, the following steps were undertaken. Number 1. Construction of 40-item tests that will measure the performance level of the grade 4 pupils. Number 2. Administration of pre-tests. Number 3. Implementation of the intervention program. Number 4. Administration of the post-test. Number 5. Comparison, pre-test and post-test results. For data analysis plan, problem 1. Summary statistics such as percentage, mean, and standard deviation will be used to determine the level of performance of pupils in pre-test and post-test in mathematics. Problem 2. The t-test will be used to determine the significant difference of the mean scores of the pre-test and post-test of the pupils. Discussion of results and reflection. Problem 1. What is the performance level of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics before and after the intervention? The table represents the obtained mean of the pre-test and post-test in the level of performance as evaluated from the respondents. The computed mean is 13.39 in the pre-test, whereas the computed mean in the post-test is 18.78. There is the increase of 5.39 or 40.25 percentage increase. Problem 2. Is there a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test scores of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics? The computed p-value is less than 0.0001. Hence, the hypothesis of no significant difference is rejected. This implies that there is significant difference between the pre-test and post-test. Problem 3. What are the implications of the findings of this action research for the development of mathematical skills of the learners? The differentiated activities and strategies improve the performance of the pupils. Thus, they are needed to enhance the mathematical skills of the pupils. This intervention improves the mathematical performance of the pupils. This activity-based strategy, the 3A's activity, act, analyze, apply. And peer teaching strategies, the AFA activity, assign and design the lesson, facilitate the lesson, assess their fears with different localized and contextualized activities, enhance the performance of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics. This is my proposed action plan. This action plan serves to improve the mathematical performance of the grade 4 pupils, especially in the Bayan Elementary School, Municipality of General Emilio Aguinaldo. It further aims to increase the mathematical competencies of the pupils, especially in their areas of weaknesses. The specific objectives are aligned with the strategies to be used so that the flow of the plan is highly coordinated. Support and assistance from the school heads, teachers, and parents will be needed to implement the different activities successfully. These are all my references. Once again, I am Marilyn B. Lengson, Master Teacher 1 of Bayan Elementary School, Municipality of General Emilio Aguinaldo, Division of Cavite. Thank you.